Let me tell you about an exciting part of Bartell, the compaction side of our business. Right here you're looking at one of our #1 sellers, the BCF1570. This is a staple item in the rental and retail industry right now. And as you can see, we're looking at an item that basically fully loaded is just our standard. Selling features and attributes as well as rental minded. When you look at the machine itself, this is a very robust 3,500 pound compaction force unit that, starting up here at the handle, we basically designed this with safety in mind. We give a nice gear controlled rack and pinion throttle control. This, when you're operating the machine, actually allows you to do throttle control operation from the operator handle, rather than the industry standard of reaching around and trying to control the plate while it's in motion. That can be a back hazard, can be a run over the foot hazard, etc., etc. So we make it very, very safe, very easy, so your hands do not have to leave the handle. Coming down to other features of the BCF1570 Bartell, you've got a nice platform here. As you can see, the protection cage, very amply welded, really, really quality built in our Louisville plant. You've got a nice tuck-away hoist hook, which is very center-weighted balanced. And this hoist hook right here is a one-point design rather than an angular, so you don't get belt or hook slip, and an inverted machine up in the air. This is also your fill reservoir on the unit. Little details when we look at the unit. If you'll look over on the side of the unit, from the exciter to the frame of the machine, we have a grounding strap. This will eliminate any buildup of static electricity or live power current that would potentially run up the handle and possibly shock the operator. We go the extra mile in providing these features that keep it safe. Looking at the front of the unit, all of our products here on the BCF1570 in the forward line, we provide an easy removable water tank, making it very nice to go to your water source without having to run the plate over a hard packed surface. One of the best features and benefits of this machine is actually it comes with a wheel kit. So mobility, ease of taking it to the work site from stowage. You've got a nice wheel platform here. We're showing this up on the wheel that you can actually just pivot the handle, roll the wheels back, lock them into place, self-contained on the unit while you're in motion, and now you have the plate ready to work. This machine is powered by a Honda GX160 and it delivers 3,500 pounds of force. Also on this unit, we integrate handholds, one on each side in the back, making it very nice for lifting. And then we have a very nice ergonomic design that rolls to the hand for front lifting as well. So when you pair this up and match this against the competition, you've got features not found in other plates. That's the Bartell difference. Now, we're gonna go right behind this plate and we're gonna look at a plate compactor that looks very similar to the BCF1570.